Hi guys, I'm Alex and welcome back to another underwear review. The underwear I'm reviewing today is called Blanc. I initially called it Blanc, being African, but my boyfriend corrected me saying it's French, that it should be pronounced Blanc. I'm not too sure, so if you think it's called Blanc or Blanc, let me know below. I've not really opened it, so this is pretty much like an unboxing as well as review. So this is the underwear that I am reviewing today. As you can tell, I'm a medium, so they are both mediums. So I'm going to be trying them out and I'll give you my thoughts on them. I've just tried them on and I'm feeling them. I think they're really good. Like I said before, I'm a medium, and most times when I get medium briefs, they still look a bit baggy or a bit big. I think I love how they feel. I love how they look on me. The underwear is actually quite nice. I must say that myself. And this is not a sponsored video. Few things to look at. First, if you look at the back, you will notice that it has the writing, not a label, which is very good for an underwear brand. You'll notice that it has the name of the brand, it has the material mix, which is 92% cotton and 8% spandex. You can also see that it has all the symbols for laundry. So for example, you can actually machine wash this in low heat. It says keep it from fire, well, obviously. Inside is really nice. If you turn it the other way around, you can see the inside, and you can see that the finishing is quite quality and very seamless. So I think that is something worth mentioning. The waist is quite nice. I think it's not too heavy and it's not too small or too big. When I had it on, I didn't really feel any weight on the waistband, so that is actually very good as well. What else? The butt is quite nice. I think it looked good when I had it on. If you think it doesn't look good, let me know. I think my butt always looks good when I have briefs on. That's why I like wearing briefs. The front as well is quite nice. It has a nice extra room. We Africans, most times we come with an extra package, so having that extra room always helps. Yeah, so overall I think it's quite nice. I like the brand, I like the underwear. I think I might end up having a bit more of them actually. I didn't manage to do any photo shoot with this underwear because my photo shoot with the photographer was already booked and they didn't come in time. What happened was the first order that was sent out to me got lost in the mail, so I had to then pay for these myself, and they came later on after the photo shoot. So there's no fancy photos to show you guys, but I will still rate them based on what I think. So if you think my ratings is not accurate or you have a different opinion, you can let me know below. So let's quickly look at the ratings. I always rate my underwear based on design, functionality, looks and feeling. So these are the ratings for Blanc. In terms of design, I rate Blanc Briefs 3.5 stars out of 5 stars because it's basic design, nothing extraordinary, nothing special, but they've done a good job just sticking to the basics. Functionality 3.5 stars simply because there is again nothing extraordinary, nothing new, nothing fancy, but it does what a brief should do. It keeps your package together, it's not too tight, and yes, nicely done. Looks and feel 4 stars simply because it looks good on me and it's not too baggy, it's not too small, it's not too tight, it's just perfect fit and it looks good, it feels good. The cotton really helps to keep it soft and gentle on your skin as well, so really nice job there. Thanks guys for watching my review of Blanc underwear. If you think my rating was too high or too low, please let me know. If you have any other brands that you want me to try and review, also please let me know, and I will try my best to review them. So until next time, I'll see you again soon.